Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update after a very long time. If you've been following me from the very beginning, you might know that I was potentially the first person ever on YouTube who predicted SLP right on the money. First time I did gave a call that SLP can go to 80%, and it was because of this inverted hammer, and we actually went 100% up. And then I gave a call that there was a bear flag of SLP when we were up here near the zero point 0.5 and then 0.05, and I was telling people that it's gonna drop to this blue line, and right on the money it went 80% down. Is this the time to actually rise back up again? Is violence upon us? Are we going to actually go to the upside? That's what we want to see. And I actually took a position yesterday at the 12. We're 16 right now. I actually took position somewhere near here. So I've been riding the candles for nearly from there to there. I've been up 26% basically with the coin. But I'm now flipping bullish on this one personally because we've already met the technical target out of that bear flag. Do you understand that? So there is no any more bearish pattern at the moment to tell you it's gonna go down. No, there's no bearish pattern anymore, right? So that's the first thing. Now, what is it gonna do? There are some few scenarios that I want to talk about, and I'm on the monthly time frame right now, and basically there are two things to consider. Either you make it a morning star, right? And I'm going to show you how morning star looks like. So this is your morning star, right? And I'm actually gonna bring this image right now. So you have the red candle, doji, and a green candle. So you have the red candle, that's the first condition been met. Can we make a doji by February? And then by March, you completely go to the upside to 0.2666 something. And then April, you continue, May, you continue, June, you continue back to the all-time high, basically. And if you go back to the all-time high, wow, that's going to be amazing 100x. Oof, my goodness, no, not 100x. Yeah, 100x basically. Is it 100x? Yes, it's what I don't. Sorry, guys, I don't believe I'm saying 100x. After a very long time, basically, after this bearish sentiments that happened. Now, that's the first clue. The second thing after the morning star is a bullish harami candlestick. Now, these are all speculation. They're not final. They're not final. There is 21 days actually left to close SLP candlestick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the bullish harami candlestick patterns, right? So here we are, and it looks something like this. Or let me show you this one. All right, so you have a big red candle and a very small green candle upon it. It's like a woman who is pregnant, basically. That's how it looks like. So here we are once again. This is how they look like. All right, so you are in a downtrend. You make the big red candle and a green candle, and you continue one another picture, red candle, small green candle, and then you continue. So basically you are doing that. So if in February you're closing near this place like this, then wow, you're still bullish. You're going to go to the upside because it suggests that you're going to continue to start going upside, right? So that's the other thing. Now the third scenario about it is that you can make a bullish engulfing, right? Bullish engulfing candlestick. So here we are with the bullish engulfing candlestick, and this is how the bullish engulfing actually looks like. I'm going to show you something like this. And when you're in a downtrend, which actually you are in a downtrend, after that, if you do go all the way up, and this is my pick, this is my personal pick, that this month in February, you go and close near 0.0271, which is going to actually be a very, very nice, lovely pump from there, 65%. And that's not the end. You continue the next month to that target, which is the 0.05. That's where your resistance is going to be. And that's where we're going to talk about SLP, if it can go down or if it can break the resistance and continue. So I do see this one rising up by 223% or 200% in the future. Finger crossed, nothing is confirmed, not a financial advice. But once again, just chart reading at best, and I've been right previously 2 times, by the way. Let's hope I do become right once again. So what I'm hoping is you do have this bearish candle and a big green candle, and then from there you can see you continue to the upside. This is what I'm actually expecting to play out in the next coming 21 days. Can it happen like this? I don't know. But I'm actually going to be following this monthly candlestick. So I do think the party has already began, and violent uptrend is about to happen that people were expecting for SLP to do. Because let me show you one last thing, all right? The market faces is what I want to show you. This is known as a market face, and this is the best picture to actually tell you what happens. So you are at the euphoria level, you went down for the and make a dead cat bounce for the complacency. This is what happened. You are at the euphoria level, you came at the complacency, whatever this is, and then you went for the anxiety, denial, panic, and anger. You went for the anxiety, denial, panic, anger at this place. This is where you're angry now. And then you continue to the side, and then you have the capitulation, which escaped. And then you're depressed and disbelief. And look what happens next. Disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria. So right now, people are in disbelief at this point that no, SLP is not going to go up. It's not going up anymore. I do know I have a history. It keeps going down. It keeps going down. And they're going to think it's going to go down again. But in my opinion, finger crossed, I don't know, it could go down once again. I'm not saying it couldn't. But there is no any bearish sentiments for me now to say that it's going to go down. When we had one, I uploaded the video. Check the channel. It's called SLP 10% Hope. It was made nearly 2 months ago when we were up here, and then after 2 months we actually dumped down there. So yeah, so that's it for today's SLP update. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please come and join the Discord. This is, I think, your home for crypto now. I'm just growing up. Come in there and let me grow. Help me grow. You get the information. You get these YouTube alerts and you don't miss anything. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.